Hello Kers, today we will do some reading practice. Are you ready?
Yeah!
First of all, I will show you some sight verse and then we go for a reading of simple sentences. Let's start. These are some sight verse. Let's read it. All, it, but, eat, have, must, on, pretty, say, that, to, well, who, am, be, came, for, he, knew, are, ran, she, there, under, went, will, are, black, did, get, into, know, out, right, so, they, want, what, rid, at, brown, do, good, like, now, please, saw, soon, this, was, white, yes. Now we do reading practice of some simple sentences. This is my car. This is my car. It is black. It is black. I like it. I like it. This is a van. This is a van. It is yellow. It is yellow. I like it. I like it.
For more videos, like and subscribe. Fun for everyone. Thanks for watching.